Hey guys! Today I'm gonna show you how I've made these butterfly hair clips for my Kanae cosplay. I made these hair clips using a few basic and affordable materials anyone can work with. So let's get started. The base material I used for this project is paperboard, aka a cereal box. I started by outlining the shape of Kanae's butterfly on it. I then cut out the butterfly using scissors. You will need 2 of these for each hair clip. So I glued them together using a glue stick. I then press them together to make sure the glue sticks well. While the glue dried, I grabbed a pencil and started drawing a basic butterfly pattern. And then I trimmed the excess paperboard. Now it's finally time for some color. I used green acrylic paint on the inner parts of the pattern. I then used pink acrylic paint on the outer parts of the pattern. After letting the paint dry, I used the black permanent marker to outline everything. I then grabbed my pencil and used white acrylic paint to paint the white details on Kanae's butterfly. I'll be using a regular metal hair clip to later attach the butterfly to my wig. I went back with the pink acrylic paint and black marker to paint the hair clip, so that it will blend with the colors and be less noticeable. Now this step is totally optional, but after looking at some reference images from the anime, I've decided to bend my hair clips a bit instead of leaving them flat. I'm not sure if this change makes them less or more accurate, but I like them better this way. And I have to say, I absolutely love how well this came out. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you're interested in other Demon Slayer props, make sure you subscribe to my channel and take a look at my other videos. I've made quite a few Demon Slayer tutorials and will surely keep making them in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!